With the StoreWALL install strip, beautiful slat wall installations are easier, faster, and stronger than typical installations. Installation is easy with the install strip. Each install strip is made of industrial grade steel and can be 15, 30, or 45 inches long. With the install strip, StoreWALL can be installed on wood or metal studs, drywall, and even concrete. Now let's watch an installation. Here we are attaching the install strip on wood studs. Remember, the install strip can be installed on any wall surface and still perform exceptionally. Installations that normally require 2 people can now be done by 1 person in half the time. StoreWALL gives you walls that work for residential or commercial applications. Simple wall storage from start to finish.